Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you the best towel coats for Berry Avenue. So I'm going to show you samples of the coats here. First, we have Rubber Ducky Spa Towel with the code 755554760. So that's the first. The second we have here is Polar Bear Spa Headband with the code 47718762889. So this is the picture. The next we have here is Fluffy Pink Spa Sleepers with a code 121-800-79738. So next towel codes we have here. First we have 5177046061, and the next towel code we have 5177039119. So the next towel code we have here Spa Headband with the code 5177046061. Next we have here is Fluffy White Spa Slippers with the code 4708259348. And then next we have here Checkered Spa Headband with the code 1218007016003. Next we have here is Plaid Flannel Spa Towel with the code 950-8244-774. Next we have here is Golden Poppy Spa Head with the code 6066180394. And last we have here is Pear Spa Headband, code 60986299005. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.